All right, so I'm getting ready to replace the tail light, and I want to go over kind of what this one is currently doing and what it was doing. Show you why I'm replacing it. So we'll turn the key on. We have a running light. Push the brake. We have a brake light. Left side turn, hyper flash, a little bit of yellow. Right side turn, hyper flash in red. Oh, there's some yellow coming in. Let's give it a little brakes while we... Okay. And then let's turn on these. Getting all kinds of weird stuff going on. So that's what's up with it right now. When I first got the bike, the left would flash normally and yellow, and the right would hyper flash and be red, but occasionally it would do some kind of wonky stuff. So here's a look at some of the wiring and my creative fix. When removing the tail section, I like to just cut these off as I'm not reusing that tail light. But this was the wiring that the previous owner had in here. Luckily, he retained the original connectors. And under here, there we go. So they had cut and spliced into here. This was a ground coming off of here for the load equalizer. And then this is obviously the power wire going to the left in the right turn signal. So I'm going to be cutting these out, shrink wrapping or resoldering and shrink wrapping these together. My new tail light plugs right into factory Suzuki connectors. Not as good as new, but it works. All right, now we got it hooked up. Comes with a new set of resistors in line. Everything plugs into the factory harness. Let's see how it does. Key on, we have running light, that's good. This one comes with a like a warning flash. Yeah, there we go. Check turn signal to the right. Yeah, sequential. Turn signal to the left. All right, let's see what the turn signal looks like when the brakes are on. Still works. And hazards. Very nice. And we have a tag light. Now while the tail section is off, I'm going to try to see if this will work for me. So again, got this horrible tag mount over here off the old exhaust hanger, and where the tag used to live has all been chopped off. So I found this on Amazon, pretty cheap. Seems fairly sturdy. Comes with a tag light that I'm not going to be using, but it's a pretty decent looking bracket. And I think he will live right about there, and I'll still have clearance for the tire once it's all bolted up. All right, here's what I have come up with. Final result. Very secure. Bolt stand a little proud on the inside. Probably shorten these up or get some shorter ones, but back here in the back, the tail section only opens up to here, so all this is kind of way in the back anyway, so I don't think it'll bother anything. But tag should sit on that just nice, and shouldn't have any issues with it clearing the tire even under full squat or when carrying a passenger.